Hey there, welcome to Tracy Creates Dishes. My name's Tracy. Today we're cooking creamy sun-dried tomato pesto pasta. Peel and slice 1 large onion. Slice 400 grams of bacon. Boil water in a large pot. Add 400 grams of pasta to the boiling water. Stir pasta occasionally. Add 5 ml of oil of choice. Once the pan is hot, add the 400 grams of diced bacon and the sliced onion. Saute the bacon and onion. Stir often. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, comment below what your favourite pasta recipe is. Add 6 tablespoons of sun-dried tomato pesto to the pan and cook through to release the pesto flavour. Pour 400 ml of cream to the pan. Heat the cream. Add the tablespoon of dried mixed herbs to the pan. Add the cooked pasta to the pan along with half a cup of the water the pasta was cooked in. Stir to combine. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.